Hello, I just wanted to show you a subreddit that I created on Reddit. So, um, you know the subreddit game dev? A lot of you probably know about that for that subreddit. So if you have been a subscriber to me for quite some time, then you will know that I'm not a big fan of like Unity and like all of those game engines that people are using nowadays, because I prefer to write my own game engines, and I think that everyone should do that. Mm. Like I have my suspicions that Unity probably contains like suspicious um, code and stuff. So like spyware and stuff. Like how would you know that if you were using it? It just feels like a prison. If I would make games in game engines like Unity or like Unreal Engine and stuff like that, it would feel like a prison. Um, yeah, so I don't really like that. So I created another subreddit called C Game Dev. Okay. So let's go through the rules here. Okay. Unity is forbidden. Unity is for lazy people. Posting games created using Unity is forbidden unless you are bashing on Unity. Okay, so rule number 2: GameMaker is forbidden. Posting about games created in GameMaker is forbidden. Oh, I spelled it wrong here. Okay. Anyways, unless you are bashing GameMaker. GameMaker is for lazy people. RPG Maker is forbidden. RPG Maker is for lazy people. Don't post games made with unless you are bashing RPG Maker. Only post your project if it's written in C. You shall only post projects written in C. Nothing else is interesting. C++ is forbidden. We don't care about C++. Unreal Engine is forbidden. So you get you get what I'm trying to say here. Okay. So yeah. So if you're interested in like C game development, I guess you can go to this forum that I created, and yeah, feel free to post stuff here. It's I think it's gonna be like a nice breath of fresh air to have this forum, because I'm sick and tired of all this stupid Unity and GameMaker stuff. Like it's not really. I'm not really impressed when people make stuff in those engines. Like it's not. I don't know. And don't take it personal if you're using those engines. I just um, like for me, I don't find any interest in looking at posts about them. It's not interesting at all. I guess it's more because I'm probably more into like game engine development rather than game development. I think that's why. Yeah, that's probably why. So wait, maybe there's like a Reddit game engine development. Maybe there's a separate forum for that. Game engines, game engines. So maybe maybe that's what I'm looking for. But need an engine to bridge. No, it's not really about game engine development. Hey, maybe I rename. Maybe I named this forum wrong. Maybe I should have called it game engine development. Huh. I don't know. Maybe I can create another one called game engine development as well. But yeah, this forum is definitely for those who are like um, really interested in like C game development. Cause yeah, I mean that is for me that is what's really interesting. Like when I go to the game dev forum, like there's nothing that I feel like nothing here that interests me at all. Simple 2D movement with sprinting in Unity. Like, who cares? Who cares? This is pretty cool actually, but yeah, you know what I'm talking about. There's mostly like Unity and Game Maker stuff here. So yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this the forum that I created. So maybe I should create a game engine development forum as well. Maybe I should create that actually. So if we go to game engine dev. Wait, so this actually exists, but there are no posts here. Okay, so cool. Let's just join that. Maybe things will happen here in the future. I don't know. So yeah, reddit.com/cgamedev. I will put it in the description of the video as well. So yeah, thank you.